Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix Windows 11 update error 0x80070057. So if you're facing this error and if you want to fix it, for that what you can do is simply right click on any empty area. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Simply click on the option New. Now again, you'll be able to find several options. Find the option for text document and click on it. Now you can see over here the text document will be created. Double click on the newly created text document in order to open it. Now you can see over here Notepad will be opened. Now over here what you have to do is simply enter this code. This code will be provided to you in the description box below. Simply copy it and paste it over here. Now after doing that, click on the option File. Now click on the option Save As. Select the preferred destination. Here I'm just going to select desktop. Also enter the file name. Click on the filter file name. Enter it over here. Make sure to enter the extension .bat. Now click on the option Save As Type. Now make sure to click on the option All Files. Now click on the option Save that you can see on the screen. Now close this notepad. Now you can see over here BAT file will be created. Simply right click on it. Now you'll be able to find several options over here. Find the option for Run as Administrator and click on it. Now you can see over here this kind of window will be opened up. What you have to do is press any key to continue. So simply press any key. After the full process has been completed, you can simply close it. Now make sure to restart the device. Click on the start icon that you can see at the taskbar. Click on the power button. Now make sure to click on the option Restart and your device will be restarted. After that, your problem can be solved. If the update error still persists, there is also another method. In that case, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the taskbar. Now what you have to do is type in CMD. Now you'll be able to find the option for command prompt over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for Run as Administrator. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here command prompt will be opened. Now over here, first of all, we'll use the system file checker. For that, what you have to do is enter sfc /scan now. Press enter. Now wait for a while. Now after this process has been completed, your problem should be solved. The next thing that you can do is run the DISM. For that, to open the command prompt as administrator. Now in order to run the DISM, what you have to do is type in capital DISM /online /clean up -image /restore health. Now after you type in this, press enter. Now wait until the entire process is completed. After the process has been completed, your problem should be solved. Now that error should not persist. So that is how you fix Windows 11 update error 0x80070057. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.